You ever feel like you're stuck in your own life, like you've lost your edge, and no matter how hard you try, something's still missing? You're not alone, but the problem isn't out there. It's in the way we've been taught to think, react, and survive. The Stoics knew this. They weren't interested in band-aid solutions. They rebuilt themselves from the inside out. That's why they were unbreakable. In this video, I'll share with you 7 Stoic rules that'll help you rebuild your clarity, confidence, and character, one principle at a time. Let's begin. Rule number 1, control only what you can control. Most of your stress comes from fighting battles that aren't even yours. You can't control time. You can't control how people treat you. You can't control who loves you, leaves you, or lies to you. But you can control how you respond. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Stop wasting energy trying to fix the external. Master the internal. That's where real power lives. Rule number 2, build yourself quietly. Don't announce your comeback. Don't try to prove anything. Don't post it all online for claps and likes. Rebuilding doesn't need an audience. It needs discipline. Epictetus said, "Don't explain your philosophy. Embody it. Work in silence. Heal in silence. Level up in silence. By the time the world notices, you'll be 10 steps ahead, and you won't even care who's watching." Rule number 3, pain is a teacher, not a curse. Most people run from pain. Stoics lean into it, not because they like it, but because they understand it. Pain reveals your limits. It shows you where you're still weak, where you're still reactive, where you're still holding on to lies. Seneca said, "Difficulties strengthen the mind, as labor does the body." Every painful experience is feedback. Every setback is sharpening you. Don't wish for an easy life. Wish for the strength to rise above it. Rule number 4, practice voluntary discomfort. The world makes you soft. Stoics made themselves hard. They practiced cold, hunger, rejection, and discomfort on purpose. Not because they were masochists, but because they wanted nothing to own them. Seneca once walked barefoot in the snow just to prove to himself that he could. So ask yourself, when's the last time you did something hard, not because you had to, but because you chose to? Discomfort now is power later. Rule number 5, stop chasing approval. You'll never rebuild yourself if you keep outsourcing your worth. You can't grow if you're addicted to applause. You have to learn to respect yourself, even when nobody claps, nobody watches, nobody says, "Good job." Marcus Aurelius said, "It never ceases to amaze me. We all love ourselves more than other people, but care more about their opinion than our own." Let that sink in. Your life is yours. Live it for real, not for display. Rule number 6, death is closer than you think. Sounds harsh? That's the point. The Stoics practiced memento mori, remembering that you could die at any moment. Not to be morbid, but to wake up. Because most people walk through life like they're immortal. They put things off, delay hard conversations, waste years on people and places they've outgrown. You don't get those years back. Wake up. Do what matters, say what you mean, love who deserves it, and cut the rest. Rule number 7, choose virtue over emotion. This is the Stoic core. Most people act based on how they feel. Stoics act based on what's right. Feelings are waves, they come and go. But virtue is the anchor. So when you're hurt, don't lash out. When you're triggered, don't react. When you're tired, don't quit. Do what's right, not what's easy. Epictetus said, "Freedom is the only worthy goal in life. It is won by disregarding things that lie beyond our control. Freedom isn't found in pleasure, money, or comfort. It's found in self-mastery. You don't need to add more to your life to become powerful. You need to subtract the noise, the ego, the emotion, the need for validation. Stoicism isn't about becoming someone new. It's about returning to the person you were always meant to be, clear, calm, and unshakable. You're not broken. You're just rebuilding.